ready to turn your amazing products into online sales on Shopify. Let's break down exactly what you need to get those listings live and looking sharp. First up, and arguably the most crucial, high-quality product images. Think bright, clear, and showing your product from multiple angles. You'll want at least one hero shot that really showcases your product's best features. Consider adding close-up shots to highlight specific textures, materials, or craftsmanship. Customers can't touch your product online, so your images need to do the talking. Next, you need a compelling product description. Don't just list features. Sell the benefits. Think about what problem your product solves or what desire it fulfills. Include important details like materials used, dimensions, care instructions, and any unique selling propositions. Use keywords that your ideal customer would search for. Of course, you'll need to set your accurate pricing. This includes the regular selling price and, if applicable, a compare at price to show potential discounts. Essential for smooth operations is inventory management. Know your stock levels. This prevents overselling and ensures you can fulfill orders reliably. If your product comes in different variations like sizes, colors, or materials, make sure you have these clearly defined. With these key elements in place, great images, persuasive descriptions, clear pricing, and organized inventory, you'll be well on your way to creating product listings that attract customers and drive sales on Shopify.